So this is the Ford Mustang GT4 by Tamiya, in the German grey on the front. I've already built the German grey one, so I wanted to build it in white. Here's a call out for white. Built the grey one a little while ago. Look how great that looks. And wanted to see if I improved any, and this was also an enjoyable build. So let's open it up. Alright, let's see, put the knife over there. So what do we get in this huge box? Alright, let's take a look at the glass. Glass is very nice, no scratches. Maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, nope, that's just on the back. Looks great. One huge white sprue. Chassis, tub, front bumper, roll cage, tires, slicks, very nice. Some chrome parts that's not too shiny. Looks good. A massive black sprue with door cards, grills for the car, steering column, a lot of detail on there. Last time I put the decal across the front, didn't look so great. I think I'll just highlight it this time, highlight the buttons, and seat, steering wheel, etc. And then there's only 3 sprues. It's been a while since I built this, I can't remember. Some cool wheels, engine parts, exhaust, and here's the beautiful body. And this is a newer model, so there'll be no mold lines on this, or very few. Looks great. Let's see what's in here. A little bit of information about the car and the decal call out. So I'm going to build a 2018 Ford official car. This one, number 18. Here's the instruction manual in the book format, which is always the best. And let's see how many stages there are. So there's 26 stages. And then window masking, always very helpful. And the decal sheet for the Goodwood style and also the Ford official car. Alright, looking forward to this. It was a good build last time and interested to see how my skills have progressed. Hopefully they've progressed. Alright, thanks everybody. Have a great day. So I think that this didn't come out so bad. Relatively happy with it. So look inside the wheels here. Yeah, I don't think it came out too bad at all. I tried to do the carbon roof here, and I got a pull there, as you can see, and a little one on the other side. But other than that, not any errors that I know of. I hope you enjoyed the pictures and the build. Thanks everybody.